Are you still losing warm leads because you simply don't have time to follow up? In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI follow-up machine that works 24/7, never forgets a conversation, and makes sure you never lose a warm lead again. Whether you're running a small agency, a SaaS startup, or an online coaching business, you'll see how to turn your follow-up process into a hands-free, AI-powered system. Before we talk about AI, let's look at the real problem. Most businesses don't lose deals because their offer is bad. They lose deals because they stop following up after one or two messages. Your prospects get busy. Their inbox explodes. They mean to reply, but life happens. Without a consistent, thoughtful follow-up system, your warm leads quietly go cold. Follow-up is where the money actually is. Most sales happen after multiple touchpoints, not the first message. Each polite, value-driven follow-up nudges your prospect closer to a yes, or a clear no, which is just as valuable. The problem is that manual follow-up is boring, repetitive, and easy to postpone. That's why we want a machine to do it for us. So what exactly is an AI follow-up machine? Think of it as a smart, always-on assistant that captures every lead from your forms, chats, and DMs, automatically understands who they are and what they need, sends the right message at the right time, and hands hot replies back to a real human to close the deal. You design the strategy. AI does the busy work. Let's break down the core components. First, ALS. You need a place to store and track your leads, usually your CRM or a simple spreadsheet. Second, you need an AI brain that can write personalized follow-up messages, answer simple questions, and stay on brand. Third, you need channels, email, SNS, WhatsApp, or DMs, plus automations to send messages based on triggers and timing. Together, these pieces become your AI follow-up machine. Step 1. Capture every lead automatically. Connect your website forms, landing pages, booking tools, and chat widgets to a single database or CRM. Every time someone opts in, books a call, or sends you a question, the system creates or updates a contact. No more leads living inside random inboxes or forgotten spreadsheets. If a lead isn't in the system, your AI can't follow up. So this step is critical. Step 2. Enrich and segment your leads. Use AI to scan the lead's answers, website, job title, or previous messages and automatically tag them. For example, you might tag them as agency, SaaS, or coach, and as cold, warm, or hot based on their intent. These tags will let your AI send different follow-up sequences to different types of leads, so the messages feel relevant instead of generic. Step 3. Design your follow-up journeys. For each segment, map out a simple sequence: day 0, day 2, day 5, day 10, and so on. Each step has a goal. Confirm a call, share a case study, answer common objections, or simply check in. You don't need 50 emails. You just need a clear, human sequence that your AI can personalize for each lead. Now, let's bring in AI to write and send those messages. You feed the AI your brand voice, your offer, and your follow-up sequence structure. The AI then generates personalized emails or messages that reference the lead's name, context, and previous actions. Because it's automatic, your leads get fast, consistent follow-up even when you're sleeping, traveling, or deep in client work. The key to making this work is real personalization, not spam. Ask your AI to reference specific details, like the lead's company, niche, or the problem they mentioned. Have it rewrite each message in a friendly, conversational tone. Like a real human, not a robot. The result feels like one-to-one communication, even though it's powered by a system. Step 4. Handle replies and questions. Your AI can take care of simple replies, like confirming appointments, but sending resources or answering frequently asked questions. When a lead shows strong buying intent, like asking about pricing, timelines, or next steps, the AI flags it and routes it to you or your sales team. That way, humans only step in where it really matters, having real conversations with hot leads. Step 5. Track performance and keep improving. Your follow-up machine should show you how many leads enter each sequence, how many reply or book a call, and which messages perform best. You can then ask your AI to rewrite weak messages, test new angles, or adjust timing, based on what the data is telling you. What could this look like in your business? Imagine every inquiry from your website instantly getting a friendly, tailored response. If they don't book a call, they receive a sequence of helpful messages with case studies, FAQs, and gentle check-ins. By the time you speak with them, they already understand what you do, see your value, and are much more ready to say yes. Here's how to get started this week. First, choose one lead source, maybe your main contact form or your discovery call bookings. Second, design a simple 5-message follow-up sequence in a document. Third, plug that into your AI tool of choice, connect it to your CRM or form, and turn it on for just that one source. Once it's working, ... you can expand to more channels and more sequences. The businesses that win in the next few years won't be the ones sending the most messages. They'll be the ones with the smartest, most consistent follow-up systems. Powered by AI, but guided by human strategy. If you build your AI follow-up machine now, you'll stop leaking warm leads and start turning more of your existing traffic into revenue. If you found this helpful and you want more systems like this, built with AI for real businesses, make sure to subscribe to AI Business Autopilot. Comment below with the tools you're already using, and I'll share ideas on how to plug AI into them. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right follow-up machine, you never have to lose a warm lead again.